Imagine a world constantly hungry for energy. Thermal power plants are essential, but traditionally complex. Now, a silent revolution is underway. Artificial intelligence is stepping into the heart of these industrial giants. AI algorithms are becoming the ultimate efficiency experts. They analyze real-time data from boilers and turbines, precisely optimizing fuel combustion. This means less waste, more power, and a significant boost to operational efficiency. But it's not just about efficiency. AI predicts problems before they even happen. Analyzing sensor data, it identifies potential equipment failures, allowing for proactive maintenance. This prevents costly shutdowns and keeps the lights on, uninterrupted. Beyond the gears and gauges, AI significantly enhances safety and environmental compliance. By continuously monitoring emissions and operating parameters, AI ensures plants run cleaner, safer, and within strict regulatory limits. From the raw intake of fuel to the grid's output, AI creates a smarter, more responsive energy system. It's about turning mountains of data into instant, actionable insights, making decisions faster and more accurately than ever before. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a paradigm shift. AI automation is propelling thermal power plants into a new era of performance, transforming them into pillars of sustainable and reliable energy for tomorrow. The future of power is intelligent.